people, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be preparing a spicy turkey sauce. I'll be eating it with my rice. Here's how I prepared it. Okay, this is my washed turkey. Yes, so I added 1 tablespoon of salt because the turkey is much. So what I did next was to add 1 tablespoon of my spices, my turkey spice. It has a lot of spice that is already mixed, so I added 1 tablespoon. Then I added my rosemary and my thyme, 1 tablespoon of rosemary and thyme. Then I added my nutmeg, my seasoning cube. Then I added all the spices I would want to add. You could add that of your choice. And then I will also add my onion. Onion is very good for your turkey, so it has spice and taste to it. Then I'll mix it so that they will be all well incorporated into the turkey. Then I'll add a little spice to it again. Okay, then I'll put it on the gas for 15 minutes depending of your choice. I don't want it to be very soft because turkey is usually very soft. So then I'll put my vegetable oil on the gas. Then depending on what you want, so I'm using a vegetable oil. Then I added my 1 tablespoon of salt, then my onion, then my pepper. Yes, this is pepper. Yes, because I said spicy. Then this is my pepper paste. They are all incorporated with spices. Then I'll add it. Yes, I added the spices so that I won't be adding and adding. So I will have to mix very well, guys. Come on, look at the color of my pepper. So today is spicy. Then I added my rosemary and my thyme, my curry again. So this one is for the pepper. Yes, I want it to be very tasty, spicy and yummy. Then also I'll be adding my seasoning cube. Yes, seasoning cube of your choice, you could add it. Then this is my turkey, my cooked turkey. So I'll be adding the turkey to the pepper, the spicy hot pepper. Come on, guys, look at it. How it's gonna look like. I have to turn and turn. So that everything will be well mixed. Yeah, I'll have to cover it for some minutes so that the pepper will go into the turkey. Now from this turkey sauce, spicy, tasty. Looking so inviting. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Keep watching. Next is to serve my turkey sauce because I'll be eating it with my white rice. I already prepared the white rice for the purpose of using it for my turkey sauce. Spicy turkey sauce. Look at it. This is my white rice, well prepared. Oh, yes, I know you will love it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed and stay positive. Bye-bye.